Have you created beautiful digital artwork but find that sales are like an elusive dream? You're not alone. Many artists upload their designs to platforms like Etsy, expecting instant sales. But weeks go by, and the numbers remain stagnant, or worse, decline. Conventional advice often suggests simply listing more artwork or lowering prices. While that may seem like a good idea, it typically leads to disappointment. Why do conventional methods often fail? It's simple. Many artists overlook the key strategies that drive visibility and appeal. They create what they love, but miss out on what buyers are actively searching for. So, what's the more effective approach? A comprehensive system that combines strategic planning with practical tools. Imagine having a roadmap that identifies what art sells best, tools to create stunning mock-ups, and templates for writing compelling listings. This approach helps you not just list art, but build a thriving, sustainable shop. By automating and streamlining these processes, you can focus more on creativity while ensuring your artwork resonates with potential buyers. I'd like to show you a modern solution called Wall Art Sales Kit. If you want to build a thriving wall art Etsy shop, check out the link below this video.